Have you heard about our Diploma of Built Environment? This exciting diploma allows you to study in 3 streams to give you direct access into your choice of undergraduate course in either property, construction management and quantity surveying, or sustainable environments and planning. On completion, you go into the undergraduate program in semester 3, and you have the advantage during your diploma studies of having an additional tutorial per subject per week to absolutely ensure you're completely prepared for that semester 3 start in the undergraduate program. You'll be integrated into the university environment right here on campus, along with the teachers and the students you'll be joining when you move forward to your bachelor studies. In addition to this, we try to give as much practical experience as well as the academic teaching as we can. So where circumstances permit, environmental and economic circumstances, etc., we'll arrange site visits and other sorts of practical experience to reinforce your theoretical studies. I look forward to seeing you on this exciting program at some time in the future as you prepare for a career ahead that meets all the dreams and aspirations that you have.